Have you ever wanted to visit the Hershey Museum in Hershey, Pennsylvania?
Well, that's what we're fixing to show you.
Hey y'all, I'm Cole.
And I'm Dawn.
And we're younger every day.
So basically we bought a fifth wheel, sold almost everything we had in Texas, packed up the kids and the dog, and headed out.
Now we're exploring the East Coast and we're loving this crazy life.
On this channel we do product reviews, share tips and tricks for RV living, and take you on amazing adventures just like this one.
So if you're new here, click subscribe and join the younger gang, and don't forget to ring the bell so you never miss out on any of the fun.
And if you haven't seen some of our other videos, you can click right up here to get all caught up.
Look at the Hershey Kisses bar thingy. Look.
What is it?
To remember Milton Hershey's 150th birthday. It looks real.
It's like, hello sir. Oh, it's just a painting.
Mommy, do you like my handstand?
What are we doing, Dawn?
We are doing a chocolate tasting.
Dawn doesn't like chocolate at all. I like chocolate.
No, Dawn doesn't like chocolate. Dawn loves
That's right.
chocolate.
Exactly. I like chocolate. Dawn loves chocolate. Thankfully, Dawn loves me too.
Hi, Daddy. Hi, Dad.
I'm excited. Are you excited?
A chocolate flight? Are you kidding me?
Awesome.
On the front of the glasses is a globe, and it corresponds with the map. And we recommend you start with the highest percentage of cocoa. That is Tanzania and the Dominican Republic. To see the percentages there, then go backwards. And we recommend you end with Hershey's chocolate. Now this one, Tanzania, and this is the Dominican Republic to start you out. This one is Ghana. I know the color. And this is Java. This is Mexico. So then if you want to fight those out, I'll be right back with some water.
So they have a recommended order for the flight. You start with the most cocoa content and then move through. It's like chocolate around the world. Super cool. So you love dark chocolate. And really she's got me to love dark chocolate too. I like it too. So let's start it off with Tanzania, 75%. I'll let you go first. Ladies first.
Okay.
Just don't drink it all. Save some for me.
I'll think about it.
Okay.
Seriously dark, but seriously delicious.
All right. Yeah, I like that. It's bitter. It's warm. I wasn't expecting warm. I thought it was cold. Warm is good.
Like this is that like special dark, like.
Let's move on to the Dominican Republic. I get to go first this time? Okay. That's a little more traditionally sweet. People would probably hate that one who just like milk chocolate. That one's one though they might get into a little bit, you know? I don't know. I like it.
It's only 5% difference.
It's only 5%.
See how big the difference it actually is.
The bitterness is cut a lot.
It is. It's still not sweet, but it has like, I don't know, it's kind of fruity or something.
Yep.
Tasty.
All right.
Although I think I like that one better.
Moving to Mexico, 66% after you, Senorita.
It kind of tastes like fudge.
Okay.
I kind of expected like a heat to it, because it says on there something about the Mayans, and I know they used heat chili. There's none of that in it, but it's good.
It is good. I enjoyed
It's
it.
still my favorite though.
Okay.
Just saying.
Okay. Let's move on to, let's see, what's next? Ghana. Here you go.
Okay. Your favorite.
Your favorite, 40%.
Oh, that's so good.
Oh, nice.
It's so good.
All right. Well, that's very different from everything else. Much sweeter. That's not my favorite though, but I like it. I mean, we got to do Java, and I guess I get to try that first since I'm more into that.
Java's the name of the place. It's not coffee.
I'm just teasing. That's good. It's like lighter, a lot lighter.
super sweet, but mega delicious.
Okay. Last one, the Hershey's chocolate that everyone loves.
See if it tastes like a chocolate bar.
Hershey's milk chocolate. I mean, that's what people think of when they think chocolate, I think.
Yeah, I've never had it warm.
Okay, yeah, it's great.
It's perfect.
Okay, so pick your favorites.
Okay, so in the like dark chocolate realm, Tanzania, definitely my favorite. But then Ghana, so good.
Okay.
But then you mix them all together and you get Hershey's. So can you get better than that? I don't know.
I don't know. Okay.
What about you?
I like them all. I don't really have any favorites. I can tell the differences. I enjoyed all of them. Think it, take it. Tasty. Highly recommend the chocolate flight. Excellent.
Absolutely.
Okay, did y'all get the explanation?
Yeah. Start at the highest and go to the lowest. Yeah. Which is
So
one
what's
of
the
these
highest?
This one. The Tanzania.
Okay.
I think that one's gonna be really bitter. 2, 1. That's good. That's really bitter.
Careful.
That's good. Ready? 3. This one looks really dark. 1. That's pretty good. That's really good. I like that.
Haley's chugging them.
She's like,
She's like gargling with it over here.
So Kinsey, what was your favorite?
my favorite was Hershey's. Last up, Hershey's milk chocolate. The one we all know and love. 3, 2, 1. Okay, I'm gonna go through them again.
Connor, did you save some?
Oh. Would you try that one again? Girls after that one. I don't like that one. I'm not.
So we've tried the chocolate flights and it was awesome.
So delicious.
Now we're gonna go check out the museum right up here behind us.
Let's go.
She moved to New York City and took a job selling ribbons at Altman's department store. In Denver, Milton learned to make caramel with fresh milk instead of paraffin.
Cocoa bean pod. Cocoa pod. It has cradle.
But in the end, it makes Hershey's chocolate super smooth.
What are you guys getting ready to do?
Go to the chocolate lab.
What do you think you're getting to do in there, Kinsey?
Make chocolate.
Yeah. You think y'all will get to taste some?
Yeah.
You think you'll get to take some home?
Yeah.
All right, well have fun.
Okay.
So we can make up to 10 million chocolate bars every single day and up to 70 million kisses every single day. Doesn't mean we do it every single day, but we have the capacity and the ability to do that. You guys are gonna get a little mold that looks like that. You're gonna put 2 big, healthy spoonfuls of chocolate right in the middle. Yeah, nice big healthy ones.
What do you think, girls?
Yummy. Are we gonna get to eat it?
Excited?
Yay!
What do you think, Dylan?
Can't wait. It's super cool.
You are amazing.
Pat it, and then put more in.
I'm adding a nice touch of Connor.
Okay.
You did a really good job, Connor. Oh, thank you. Thank you.
If we look up here at the map, this is called the Yucatan Peninsula. This is where we see really the first recorded history of chocolate. What is this imaginary line that runs all the way around the world? The equator. 20 degrees north and 20 degrees south of the equator is what we call the bean belt. So this is where we see all the chocolate bean grown. So the flowers are very small. They're actually only 1/2 inch to 1 inch in diameter. Okay. If you put it this way,
That was fun. I can't believe we got to make some s'mores. I'm gonna have them for dessert.
Hey, did you guys have fun at the Hershey Museum?
Yeah!
They even have the chocolate on their face to prove it.
Ansley's sad because 5 and under can't go in the chocolate lab. I'm sorry.
Oh, sweet girl, come here.
Oh. Other than that, though, we did have a lot of fun at the Hershey Museum today. The Hershey story, it was a blast. Now you've seen our experience at the Hershey Museum.
Now we want to know, what are your favorite things to do in Pennsylvania?
Let us know in the comments down below. I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give us a thumbs up and let us know you liked it.
And if you haven't already, click subscribe to join the Younger Gang so you can be a part of this awesome community.
Also, we hope you'll check out some of our other videos right over there. So, going to Pennsylvania and checking out the Hershey story and getting some samples of chocolate, doing the chocolate flights.
Oh yeah.
And sharing it with you guys. It's just another way we're living younger every day.
Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye!